This video will show you how to download and view the booking reports. AxisRooms lets you easily access, filter and export booking reports for your property in just a few steps. Let's see how. Firstly, log into your channel manager. Click on your property name and here you'll get the bookings option. Click on bookings and select bookings report. So this is where we can view the bookings. Here, first we have three search types. We have booking date, check-in date and stay date. So, as per your required search type, you can select. For example, first I want it for booking date. So, I'll select the start date and end date. The channels. If you require the data only for any particular desired channel, you can just select that. Or, if you require data of all the channels, you can just let them be. City is your property, so let this be all. And status, you can select if you require for the confirmed status, modified or cancelled, or if you require the report of all the status and then search. So here you can see we just have one booking, that is for 24th to 24th check-in, 25th checkout. Here it shows the channel name. Then if you click on the OT reference ID, now that is booking ID, you can view the complete voucher, okay? Then if you scroll to this side, you can view the guest name, the number of guests, the number of rooms, the mode of payment, the amount. So if it's a no-show, you can mark it as no-show here. So this is the booking report as per the booking date. As well, if you want, you can download this report as well. So this will get downloaded into your system. Same way, if you want the search type as the check-in date, you can change your search type here and you can give it as a search. So as per the check-in search type, you can view the total number of bookings, which we have is 3. So for example, if you want the data for the past 1 month or past 6 months or past 1 year, you can just edit the start date and let the end date be as 31st. So I've selected search and the data is getting loaded. So here, for all the search types, if you just want to see the confirmed status, you can just change the status to confirmed. Here, you can view all our bookings, which were confirmed from December till July 31st. Same way, if you require this data, you can get this downloaded. Also, you can view the credit card details here. If you click on credit card, view credit card details, it will get redirected to our PCI login. You can get this login from your respective account managers. So you can view the credit cards for OTAs like Booking.com, Agoda, HyperGuest and Expedia. And kindly make sure you can view these card details only thrice. So this is about the booking report. If you want a more detailed report, we do have our master report. You need to click on Analytics, Master Report. Here, you can select the date range. For example, I want the date range from June till 31st. Okay, it's a custom date range. I want the data as per the check-in date. This is your hotel. Same way, you can select the channels, the payment mode, or the booking status as per your requirement and submit. So here you can see the complete data is here. Click on the 3 dots if you want to alter this report. So, as per your requirement, if you don't want the mode of payment or if you don't want the booking time, you can edit this report simultaneously. The data is getting deleted in the back. So, if you want to add the source, you can check here. The source has been added. If you want to remove it, it will get removed. You can just view this here. Also, we have a pivot view. Under pivot view, you can add the required columns as per your requirement. So for example, if you want the extra bed, you can add the extra bed into the data. Or if you don't want the check-in date, you can just remove the check-in date. Or if you want the guest email, you can add it here. Same way, it is getting added here on the side. See? And if you want the guest phone number and the guest name, so you can add the required title. So if you scroll on this side, all those details are added here. The guest name, the guest phone number, and you can download this and save it. And this brings us to the end of this video on how to download and view the booking reports.